Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad question. Let's start. What is the question here? What is the length of the lizard? Given the head of the lizard is 20 centimeter. The tail is as long as head plus half of the length of its body. The body is as long as the head and tail together. Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the total length of the lizard. Let's see how to solve this math problem. Head h equals to 20 centimeter. Tail equals to h plus half of the body. Body b equals to head plus tail. Substitute tail into the body equation. B equals to h plus half of b. B equals to 2h plus half b. LCM is 2. B equals to 4h plus b by 2. 2b equals to 4h plus b. 2b minus b equals to 4h. 2b minus b is b. b equals to 4h. Substitute h equals to 20. B equals to 4 multiplied by 20 equals to 80 centimeters. We know that tail t equals to h plus half of the body. So we know head value and body value. T equals to 20 plus 1 by 2 of 80. 2 1 ja 2, 2 40 ja 80. So tail t equals to 20 plus 40. T equals to 60. Total length of the lizard is the sum of the head, body and tail. So now we are going to total length of the lizard. Total length equals to head plus body plus tail. We know all three values. Head equals to 20, body equals to 80 and tail equals to 60. 20 plus 80 plus 60 equals to 160 centimeters. Now the total length of the lizard is 160 centimeter. To make sure you grasp the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see the step-by-step process. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, please ask me in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.